Hello students, now we are discussing about chapter 2 standard 7 fraction and decimal. Students, we are knowing that what is proper fraction and improper fraction and mixed fraction. We are learned in the previous standards. So first, proper fraction. A proper fraction is a fraction that represent a part of a whole. Improper fraction. An improper fraction is a combination of whole and proper fraction. A mixed fraction is the improper fraction 7 by 4 can be written as the 1 is to 3 by 4. This is a mixed fraction. Okay, we are already learned in the previous standards the sum of addition and subtraction of proper and improper fraction. Let's revise it by exercise 2.1. First, question 1 solve. 1 2 minus 3 by 5. Okay, if 1 is not in the denominator we have to assume it. Okay, 1 is in the denominator, so 1 and 5, LCM of 1 and 5 is 5. 2 by 1, we want 5 in the denominator, so we have to multiply 1 into 5. 1 into 5 5, so we have to multiply both numerator and denominator by 5, so 2 5s are 10. Second, 3 by 5, we want 5 in the denominator, so we have to multiply 5 into 1, 5, so 3 1s are 3. Okay, so 10 by 5 minus 3 by 5, 5 is the our LCM, so 5 is common. 10 minus 3, 7 by 5. We have to write in the mixed fraction. How we can write a mixed fraction? So I will solve it. 7 by 5. Okay, 5 ones are 5. 7 minus 5 is 2. Okay, so one caution is right in the whole part. 2 remainder is numerator and 5 denominator is denominator. Okay, second one, 4 plus 7 by 8. Again we have no denominator, so we have to assume 1 as a denominator. Now our 1 and 8 LCM is 8, so 4 upon 1, we want 8 in the denominator, so 1 into 8 8, and 4 8s are 32. Same 7 by 8, we want 8 in the denominator, so put 8 in 1s are 8, 7 1s are 7. Now solve it. 38 2 by 8 and 7 by 8, add it. Add 8 is common. 32 plus 7, 39 by 8. So we want to write in the mixed fraction 4 7 by 8. Okay, now we want to see a third one. 3 by 5 plus 2 by 7. LCM of 5 and 7 is 35, so we want 35 in the denominator, so we have to multiply denominator by 7. 5 7s are 35, we have to multiply same with the numerator. 3 7s are 21. Again 2 by 7, 7 5s are 35, same multiply with 5. 2 5s are 10. 25 by 35 plus 10 by 35, 35 common. 21 plus 10, 31 by 35. We can't write proper fraction into mixed fraction. Okay, only we can write improper fraction in the mixed fraction. Fourth one is the same with again previous standards questions, so we can see the fifth one. 7 by 10 plus 2 by 5 plus 3 by 2. 10 5 and 2, the LCM is 10, so we want to multiply, we want require 10 in the denominator, so 10 ones are 10, same multiply with the numerator. 7 ones are 7. 2 by 5, we want 10 in the denominator, so 5 2s are 10, so 2 2s are 4. Again 3 2s are, so we want 10 in the denominator, so 2 5s are 10 and 3 5s are 15. Okay, 7 by 10 plus 4 by 10 plus 15 by 10 is equal to 7 plus 4 plus 15 divided by 10. Total is 26 by 10. The function is improper fraction, so we want to write in the mixed fraction. Now we can see a sixth one. 2 2 by 3 plus 3 1 by 2. Okay, so 2 2 by 3 we can convert into improper fraction. 2 2 by 3, 3 2 is 6 plus 2, 2 3 is 6 plus 2, 8 by 3, 3 2 is 1 plus 1, it means 7 by 2. Now we have to add 8 by 3 plus 7 by 2. LCM is 6, 8 by 3. So we want 6 in the denominator, so multiply by 2. 3 2 is 6, 8 2 is 16, 7 by 2. We want 6 in the denominator, so 2 3 is 6, 7 3 is 21. 16 by 6 plus 21 by 6 is equal to 16 plus 21 by 6. Total is 37 by 6. We can write in the mixed fraction. Again we can check also answer. 6 6 is 36 plus 1, 37 by 6. Question 2. Arrange the following in descending order. 2 by 9, 2 by 3 and 8 by 21. All the denominators are different, so we have to find a common LCM. So we can find it LCM like that way. Prime factorization method. Our LCM is 63. 2 by 9. We want 63 in the denominator, so we have to multiply 9 by 7. 9 7s are 63. Same multiply with the numerator. 2 7s are 14. Same 2 by 3 we want 63, so 3 21s are 63. 2 21s are 42. 8 by 21. 21 3s are 63 and 8 3s are 24. Now we can arrange the number in the descending order. So 42 by 63 is bigger one, so first is come, then 24 by 63 and by 14 by 63. We have one word problem. A rectangular sheet of paper is 12:1 by 2 centimeter long and 10:3 by 2 by 3 centimeter wide. Find its perimeter. So we are knowing that the perimeter of rectangle is 2 multiplied by L plus B, means length plus breadth. So 2 multiplied by 12 plus 1 by 2 plus 10:2 by 3. We can convert into mixed fraction into improper fraction. 12 2s are 24 plus 1 25 by 2. 10 3s are 30 plus 2 32 by 3. We can put LCM of 2 and 3. LCM is our 6. So this number multiply by 3, so we can got 6, and this number multiply by 2, so we can got 6. So 2 3s are 6, so 25 3s are 75 and 3 2s are 6, so 32 2s are 64. Total is 139. We can cut 2 3s are 6, 139 by 3. We can write in the mixed fraction. 46:1 by 3 centimeter. Now we can solve a fifth one. Find the perimeter of triangle ABE and the rectangle BCDE in this figure whose perimeter is greater. We have given a triangle, okay, and rectangle. So we have to find the perimeter and find also whose perimeter is greater. So first we are finding the perimeter of triangle, okay. So first AB plus BE plus AE means add the three side. 5 by 2 plus 2 3 by 4 plus 3 3 by 5. You can find like that. So 5 by 2 is 5 by 2 plus 11 by 4 plus 18 by 5. 2 4 and 5 LCM is 20. So 5 by 2 20 is required, so 2 tens are 20, 5 tens are 50. 11 by 4, 4 multiplied by 5 is equal to 20, 11 multiplied by 5 is equal to 55. 18 by 5, 5 4s are 20, 18 4s are 72. Add it all of the numbers. 20 is LCM, common number. 50 plus 55 plus 72, total is 177 by 20. We can write into 817 by 20. Now we can find a perimeter of rectangle. In perimeter of rectangle, both length are equal and both breadth are equal. So 2 3 by 4, 2 3 by 4 and 7 by 6 is also 7. BC is also 7 by 6. We have a formula of perimeter of rectangular BCD. 2 multiplied by L plus B is equal to 2 multiplied by 2 is to 3 by 4 plus 7 by 6. 2 multiplied by 11 by 4 plus 7 by 6. LCM is 12. So we want 4 3s are 12. So 11 3s are 33 and 6 2s are 12. So 7 2s are 14. 33 plus 14 is 47. 2 6 are 12. So 47 by 6. Our mixed fraction is 7 5 by 6. So triangle ABE is greater because our perimeter of triangle is 8, 17 by 20 and perimeter of rectangle is 7 by 6. So triangle ABC is greater. Question 6. Salil wants to put a picture in a frame. The picture is 7 3 by 5 centimeter wide. To fit in the frame of the picture cannot be more than 7 3 by 10 centimeter. How much should the picture be trimmed? So we have given one picture frame. We have to put a picture, but picture is bigger than the frame, so we have to trim it. So we have to find how much trim a picture to fit in the frame. Salil wants to put a picture in a frame. The picture is 7 3 by 5 centimeter wide. To fit in the frame, the picture cannot be more than 7 3 by 10 centimeter wide. How much should the picture be trimmed? So how we can find the answer? So for the first we have to minus 7 by 3 by 5 minus 7 3 by 10. So the picture should be trimmed 7 3 by 5 minus 7 3 by 10. Our LCM is 10. So 7 3 by 5. 7 5 is 35 plus 3 38 by 5 minus 7 10 is 70 plus 3 73 by 10. LCM is 10. 38 by 5. 38 2 is 76. 5 2 is 10. And 73 10 is 73 1 is 73. 10 1 is 10. 76 minus 10 minus 73 by 10 is equal to 3 by 10. So students, this is our last question of this week. I hope you all are understand. If you have a doubt, then ask me on the group. Thank you.